Let me introduce some of the tradesmen. There's apprentice Max on the left, and then Ollie and James, who are business partners in this building firm, and Margaret, my wife, the client. The first task was to receive the building materials, and it's a good job I've got a fairly large driveway. Just over 20 years ago, my son, now a professional musician and sound engineer, converted this garage into a recording studio and lined the inside with insulation and egg boxes to soundproof it. It now looks like it's been hit by a missile, but the garage door has been taken off, and the next job is to take the roof off and rebuild it about 300mm higher. In total we had 3 skips, not all at the same time. This is just the way they deliver one, by taking 4 off and taking 3 back. Crown skips turned out to be very good, being very prompt both in delivering and taking the skips away. So with the lining removed, you can see all the graffiti that was put on there originally. And this document was put on the wall behind the new panelling and plasterwork in about this position here. Then came the brickies, who did a very nice, neat job. Thanks, fellas. Here is James fitting the new timbers for the roof, which will accommodate a lot of insulation and raise the ceiling inside the garage by about 300mm. A completely new insulated floor was put in, and plenty of insulation in the ceiling and on the walls. Well, in go the windows, and we're getting a glimpse of what it's going to look like when it's finished. Back inside now, just one more wall to go to be finished off with plasterboard and insulation. Dave the plasterer turned up and did a fine job finishing off the interior. Ollie and Ryan laying the floor. The wash basin is plumbed in and fitted. A new radiator and paintwork finished, and Ollie's work is done. Time for another curtain call. Well done, fellas.